Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that I know is on a lot of your minds, making money online. Want to make money online but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you 10 proven ways to earn cash from home, even as a beginner. We're going to break down each method, step by step, no fluff, just the real strategies that work. I get messages all the time from people feeling stuck, overwhelmed by all the options, or maybe they've tried a few things that just didn't pan out. Trust me, I've been there. It's easy to get discouraged. But the truth is, the internet has opened up so many legitimate opportunities, and many of them require little to no upfront investment, just your time and willingness to learn. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes here. We're talking about building sustainable income streams from the comfort of your own home. So, grab a notebook, maybe even a second iced coffee, just make it a small one this time, because you're going to want to take notes. We're covering everything from leveraging skills you already have to tapping into massive online marketplaces. And you'll definitely want to stick around, because method number 5 can make you $100 a day. I'm excited to share these with you, so let's smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get right into it. Alright, kicking things off with method number 1, freelancing. This is genuinely one of the fastest ways to start seeing actual money hit your bank account from online work. Think about it. You likely already possess skills that businesses and individuals are willing to pay good money for. We're talking about things like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, virtual assistants, programming, voiceovers. The list is practically endless. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have revolutionized how freelancers connect with clients. You can create a profile, list your services, set your prices, and start attracting buyers from all over the world. It's like setting up your own digital storefront for your talents, and the overhead is incredibly low compared to a traditional business. First, identify your marketable skills. Be honest with yourself about what you're good at or what you enjoy doing. Spend some real time crafting a compelling profile. This means a professional photo, a clear description of your services, and showcasing any past work or examples. When you're starting, pricing competitively is key. Positive reviews are like gold on these platforms. Once you have a portfolio of successful projects and glowing testimonials, you can gradually increase your rates. So if you're looking for a way to monetize skills you already have, freelancing is an absolute no-brainer to explore. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Imagine earning commissions simply by recommending products or services that you genuinely like and use. You partner with companies, they give you a unique tracking link, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a piece of the profit. The fantastic thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Your main job is to be the trusted recommender. This can be done through various channels: a YouTube channel, a blog, your social media accounts, or even an email newsletter. The key is to build an audience that trusts your opinions and recommendations. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Find affiliate programs that align with your niche. Create valuable content that naturally incorporates these links. The income potential from affiliate marketing can range from a little extra pocket money to a substantial full-time income. So if you enjoy sharing your opinions and helping others make informed decisions, affiliate marketing could be an excellent fit. Alright, let's talk about YouTube monetization. Yes, you can actually get paid for creating videos on topics you're passionate about. The primary way creators earn money on YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which allows you to run ads on your videos. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply for the YPP and start enabling ads on your content. It requires consistent effort in creating engaging content that people want to watch. Focus on good titles, compelling thumbnails, and promoting your videos across other social media platforms to drive views and subscribers. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you start earning a share of the revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Many successful YouTubers diversify their income streams. This can include channel memberships, super chat and super stickers during live streams, merchandise sales, and integrating affiliate marketing links in your video descriptions. Sponsorships and brand deals are another big one once your channel grows. If you have a passion you want to share, starting a YouTube channel could be an incredible journey. Alright, let's dive into method number 4, dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you can sell physical products online without ever having to hold any inventory yourself. Essentially, you act as the storefront, the middleman. A customer buys a product from your online store, you then purchase that product from a third-party supplier, and that supplier ships the product directly to the customer. The biggest advantage here is the significantly lower startup cost and risk compared to traditional retail. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in bulk inventory that might not sell. Your main focus is on marketing and customer acquisition. Platforms like AliExpress are a common source for dropshipping products because of their vast selection and low prices. Shopify is by far the most popular platform for this. It's user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with many dropshipping apps. The profit margins in dropshipping can be a bit tighter than traditional retail because you're buying products one at a time from your supplier after you make a sale. However, the scalability is immense. If you're willing to put in the effort to find good products, build a professional-looking store, and master online advertising, it can be a very rewarding way to build an online business from scratch with relatively low upfront capital. Okay, now for method number 5. Print on demand, or POD. This is an absolutely fantastic business model, especially for creative individuals or anyone looking to sell merchandise without any upfront inventory costs or risks. Think custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, tote bags, you name it. You create the designs and a third-party company handles everything else. You then upload this design to a print-on-demand platform like Teespring, Redbubble, Printful, or Merch by Amazon. When a customer sees your product online and makes a purchase, the pod company prints your design onto the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. The beauty of print on demand is that, much like dropshipping, you don't hold any inventory. You don't pay for the product until after it's sold. This means there's virtually zero financial risk to get started. The earning potential with print on demand can be quite significant, especially if you hit on a popular design or niche. Some people build entire brands around their pod stores. If you have a creative spark, enjoy designing, or even just have a knack for coming up with catchy phrases, print on demand is an incredibly accessible and low-risk way to start an online business. Alright, let's move on to a personal favorite of mine, selling digital products. This is where you create a product once, like an ebook, a printable planner, a software template, an online course, stock photos, music, or design assets, and you can sell it over and over again infinitely without any additional production costs. Once it's created, it's virtually 100% profit on every sale, aside from platform fees. Think about the scalability here. Unlike physical products, you don't have to worry about manufacturing, inventory, or shipping. A customer buys your digital product, and they typically get instant access to download it. So, what kind of digital products can you create and sell? The possibilities are vast. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, you could write an ebook or create an online course. If you're organized, you could design and sell digital planners or templates like budget spreadsheets, social media content calendars, or resume templates. To get started, first identify a skill, knowledge, or resource you have that others would find valuable enough to pay for. The income potential from selling digital products can be truly life-changing. Selling digital products is an amazing opportunity for anyone looking to leverage their expertise or creativity into a scalable online business. Now let's talk about something that's perhaps one of the easiest ways to start making a little bit of money online, almost immediately, with no special skills required. Online surveys and website testing. While this might not make you rich overnight, it's a legitimate way to earn some extra cash or gift cards in your spare time by simply sharing your opinions or testing out websites and apps for usability. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback on their products, services, and marketing campaigns. They're willing to pay people like you to participate in online surveys, answer questions, and give your honest thoughts. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon Mechanical Turk host thousands of these opportunities. Similarly, website and app testing is another great option. Platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, or Userlytics pay you to visit a website or app, perform a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud as you navigate. These testing sessions usually take about 10 to 20 minutes, and the pay can be quite good, often around $10 per test, with some specialized tests paying even more. For online surveys, the pay per survey can be relatively low, often ranging from a few cents to a few dollars, depending on the length and complexity. However, For website testing, you can earn around $10 to $50 per hour if you consistently get tests. If you have some spare time and want a low-effort way to earn a bit of extra income online surveys and website testing are definitely worth checking out. Just be sure to use legitimate platforms and never pay to join a survey site. Alright, let's shift gears to a classic yet still incredibly powerful way to make money online: blogging. If you enjoy writing and sharing your knowledge or passion on a particular topic, starting a blog can be a fantastic way to build an audience and generate income through various avenues like advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. At its core, a blog is simply a website where you regularly publish articles or blog posts about a specific niche. This could be anything from personal finance, cooking, travel, parenting, technology, fashion, gardening, or any hobby you can think of. The key is to choose a topic you're genuinely interested in and can write about consistently, and one that has an audience looking for information. Getting started with a blog might seem technical, but it's become much easier over the years. You'll need a domain name and web hosting. Platforms like WordPress.org are incredibly popular and offer immense flexibility and control. Once your blog is set up, the real work begins, creating high-quality, valuable content that people want to read and that search engines like Google can find. Consistency is key aim for a regular publishing schedule. How do you actually make money from a blog? There are several ways. Blogging is definitely a long-term game, but for those who are passionate about writing and sharing value, it can become a very rewarding and sustainable online business. Let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. This is an incredibly in-demand role right now, and it's a fantastic way to make good money online by providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and busy professionals are increasingly outsourcing tasks to VAs to save time and improve efficiency, creating a huge market for these services. The range of tasks is incredibly broad. It could include managing email inboxes, scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, managing social media accounts, creating presentations, data entry, bookkeeping, customer service, research, content creation, website maintenance, and so much more. The great thing about becoming a VA is that you can often leverage skills you already have from previous jobs or even just from managing your own life. To get started as a virtual assistant, you'll first want to identify the services you can confidently offer. Then, you need to find clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized VA job boards like Belay or Remote.co are good places to look for opportunities. The earning potential for virtual assistants is quite good, typically ranging from $15 to $50 per hour, and sometimes even higher for specialized skills or experienced VAs. Many VAs start part-time and eventually build it into a full-time income, enjoying the flexibility of working from home. If you're organized, reliable, proactive, and have good communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant could be an excellent online career path for you. Finally, let's talk about monetizing two of the hottest social media platforms right now, TikTok and Instagram. If you enjoy creating engaging short-form video content or visually appealing posts and have a knack for building an online following, these platforms offer some incredible opportunities to earn money. The primary ways to make money on TikTok and Instagram revolve around leveraging your audience and influence. Once you've built a decent following and have good engagement rates, brands will start to take notice. This can lead to sponsored posts or brand deals, where companies pay you to feature their products or services in your content. Affiliate marketing is also a huge opportunity on these platforms. You can partner with brands and promote their products using unique affiliate links or discount codes in your bio, stories, or video descriptions. Some platforms are also introducing direct monetization features. TikTok has its creator fund and features like live gifts, where viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into cash during live streams. Instagram has features like badges in Live and is continually exploring new ways for creators to earn. While it might seem like you need millions of followers to make money, that's not always the case. If you enjoy creating content and engaging with an online community, exploring monetization on TikTok and Instagram could be a fun and potentially very lucrative venture. And there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home. We've covered a lot of ground, from freelancing your existing skills and diving into affiliate marketing, all the way to building a YouTube channel, launching a dropshipping store, or even monetizing your TikTok and Instagram. The opportunities are genuinely out there, and many of them, as you've seen, require very little, if any, upfront cash investment, just your time, your effort, and your willingness to learn. The most important thing now is to take action. Don't just watch this video and then click away. Pick one or two methods that really resonated with you, something that aligns with your interests and skills, and start researching it further. Maybe it's finally listing that gig on Fiverr, or brainstorming ideas for your first digital product, or even just signing up for a survey site to make your first few dollars online. That first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most crucial. Remember, building any kind of income stream takes time and persistence. There will be a learning curve. There might be moments of frustration, but don't get discouraged. Every successful online entrepreneur started from zero. So, which method will you try first? Comment below, I'd love to hear what you're thinking. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks so much for watching. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video.